Enjoy a drive in the new Chevrolet Silverado right away. As the Texas dealership, we are experts in all new and pre-owned Chevrolet cars, trucks and SUVs in the Dallas area. We service all the surrounding communities around Dallas such as University Park, Cockrell Hill, Farmers Branch, Mesquite, Seagoville and Rowlett. We are a Dallas-based Chevrolet store that is dedicated to providing our customers with welcoming and user-friendly staff, comfortable convenience, exceptional customer assistance reputation. Give us a call if you are looking for a Chevrolet Silverado, or come in and visit us for a test whirl in your next Silverado today.